Without a doubt, Samsung's surprise announcement of the Freestyle projector in 2022 was the start of CES 2022 and showed they still know how to produce a functional but yet fun product. Fast forward into 2023 and the Freestyle gets a nice set of updates which takes the projector viewing experience to the next level. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our first quick look at the Freestyle projector updated for 2023 here in Las Vegas at CES 2023. The best way to see the Freestyle projector for 2023 is that it's a refresh of the existing model, but not a complete Generation 2 product upgrade. What that basically means is that yes, this is a new SKU stock keeping unit model that physically looks the same, but does have some internal improvements with things like more memory, which from what we've been told has enabled more features. So with that in mind, what's new with the Freestyle 2023? First is the addition of Samsung's gaming hub. We've covered this extensively in a previous video, so we highly recommend you watch that for our full details and breakdown. But this basically enables services like Xbox Cloud Gaming and Nvidia GeForce Now game streaming services for instant gameplay without the need of a dedicated console or PC and the wait times of installing games. The biggest new feature has got to be what Samsung are calling Smart Edge Blending. Samsung were proud to state that this is a patented feature which basically allows for the ability to use two Freestyle 2023 projectors to produce a super ultra-wide large 21:9 aspect ratio image and also a stacked large 16:15 aspect ratio viewing experience as well. This works in conjunction with the SmartThings Smart Edge Blending Calibration mode, which allows you to use your smartphone to take a picture of the alignment grid, which helps to calibrate the image on the wall and blend the edges of the image together smartly. From how it was demonstrated, the process looks to be very simple enough that anyone can do it and falls in line with the auto keystone feature built into the Freestyle, but in a more advanced way, allowing for this to be done. Overall, based on our first look and impressions of this updated Freestyle for 2023 in action, the auto edge blending feature with the ability to use two projectors looks really good and takes what was already a fun and portable product to another level. What's your thoughts on the Freestyle 2023? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.